Illy, you gonna have fun this year in second grade? Oh, look at
With my friend Kayla.
Oh.
I have 3 people. And you're lucky.
Boys, third grade.
2?
Third grade.
Oh, 1 girl that's
Jordan,
last grade.
are you happy to be going back?
Mommy, there's 2 people. There's 2 boys from their of course what is it again?
First grade?
Yes.
Okay.
1 girl from first grade after my friend.
Really?
Yeah. Now it's Jason's turn. What? Now it's your turn to say who's in your class from last
Jaxson,
year.
come up the street.
Ryan. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah. Only 1
Do you have any friends from last year in your class?
Yes.
Who?
Chase, Aaron.
They're all in your class? Did you see their desk?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. That's
Okay,
good.
that's strange. I'm like, that's strange.
How come you get all? Oh, I'm in his class, so all your friends are in your class, right? In our class, right? Yay! Or
Awesome.
just Trace and Aaron. They're brothers too.
Yay! What?
Is there more people in your class?
Jaxson, can you please get out the street, please?
Get out my face.
It is the street.
You're in the street.
Well, not
She's
technically.
an adult. She's not in the street. Her foot is in the street. Only one. Yeah. Look at your foot, mommy. I don't want to go to school. I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
It's gonna rain.
When I first came here, I was
It's
nervous.
not gonna rain this week.
I was first going to Rosemont.
Please don't rain because I want to go to recess.
Okay.
Please don't rain. I don't know why. I just